click, switch it up. If you have industrial technology like these limit and switches and you want to convert them to LoRaWAN, I have a product for you today that is really great in doing that. This is the LHT65N-DC and it's a Dragino LoRaWAN sensor, and obviously there's the information right there. This is the device, this is what comes with it, the accessory, and this is today not the star of the show. Usually the sensor itself is what piques my interest. This time it's just the temperature humidity sensor. That is fine, we'll get that. It's the very well-known LHT65N without the antenna, no antenna N, and there's S for superb reception, which has an antenna next to it. That's how I remember it, N and S. But today the star of the show is actually the accessory that comes to that gets plugged into this USB-C port, and that is this cable right here. So if we unpack it, we see immediately, oh, those are connections. If you don't want to solder, you can just heat them up and it melts in the middle and connects your cable. And it's not an unfinished cable, no, not at all. This is to actually be connected to switches like these industrial ones right here. So if you have an existing switch or something that closes a contact like a window sensor or anything like that, you can connect this cable to it, plug that into the Dragino, and then you can get a notification once this is triggered. This can be interesting for logistics, for any side projects, and you might already guess what I'm trying to do here. This is supposed to be a very, very low budget Kanban solution with cheap sensors that will get connected to the sensor right here. These are not part of the product, obviously. You get the sensor, the cable, and those melting connectors right here. That's what comes in the package, and that's what this unboxing is all about. I'll report back as soon as I have these working, and then until then I say, see you later. This is Robert from Kayna-Funkt.